Ukwuani people speak Ukwuani language with its various Ukwuani dialects, while Igbo people speak Igbo language. Ukwuani and Igbo both belong to the Niger-Congo language family. They are both in the Volta-Niger branch. They are both part of the Igboid language group, meaning they are related but not the same language. Stop your propagandist agenda. It will not make you people superior than other tribes in Nigeria. First of all, he said that Ukwuani people speak Ukwuani language with its different dialects, and Igbo people speak Igbo language with its different dialects. Ukwuani language is Igbo language. The same way Ukwuani is a dialect, is the same way Ika is a dialect, is the same way Nsukka is a dialect, is the same way Izi is a dialect, is the same way Afikpo is a dialect, is the same way Ukwuani is a dialect, and so on. Ukwuani people understand the dialects of our brothers in the southeast. How come person where they say they understand the language will not be the same people? Did we Ukwuani people understand the dialect of our brothers in the southeast through the movies? No. Did we understand them because we are watching films where Igbo language are spoken? No. We understand it because it's our language. He said here that Ukwuani and Igbo both belong to the Niger-Congo language family. They are both in the Volta-Niger branch. They are both part of the Igboid language group, meaning they are related but not the same language. If Ukwuani belong to Igboid language group, how come is he now saying that Ukwuani is not Igbo? Why they not classify Urobo, Isoko, and the Shekiri language as part of Igboid language family? Why they don't classify them for that category? It's simply because those people are speaking a totally different language from Igbo. We Ukwuani people, Urobo and Isoko, they for boundary. Ukwuani they boundary with Urobo people. Ukwuani they boundary with Isoko people. Yet, no language family will ever classify Ukwuani, Isoko, and Urobo as the same language family. And that's because we Ukwuani people are not Urobo, we are not Isoko. We don't speak the same language, we are totally different people. The language family of Urobo and Isoko is not the same with we Ukwuani people. The language family of Ukwuani people is Igbo. That's why this person said here that Ukwuani belongs to the Igboid language family. You they call Ukwuani Igbo, they talk say Ukwuani not be Igbo. You know, should say this person, he not get sense. How can you say that Ukwuani and Igbo are related but they are not the same? In Ukwuani, what we call masquerade is Mao. What we call food is Nni. What we call the spring bean is Chuku. What we call ground is Sane. What we call first daughter is Ada. What we call first son is Okpala. What we call king is Eze. The same thing we call all these things for Ukwuani, what they call them for Southeast, be our Igbo brothers. And person go come out, they talk, say Ukwuani and Igbo are related, but they are not the same. You should say that person not get sense. Elder will go tell you say Ukwuani people and their Igbo brothers in the Southeast not be one people. You should say that elder get sense. Elder for Urobola will go tell you say Urobo and Isoko people not be brothers, so they not be one people. You should say that elder get sense. These are the people that are fighting against the creation and zoning of Anambra State to the southeast. If you go the village of this man where they talk this thing now, poverty don't chop their village. Nothing is working there. The only power where they get now, to they come online, they talk, say, Ukwuani is not Igbo. That is how you know failures. I hate failure, and that is why I'm here. Educating our Ukwuani people to know where they belong. Make better thing enter Ukwuani land. Some of these people, they know they travel outside Ukwuani land. Those Ukwuani people that you see online say, no, Ukwuani is not Igbo, Ukwuani is not Igbo. Some of them never cross that Niger bridge. Say they enter Onitsha. Some of them never go in Enugu state before. Some of them never go in Imo state before. Some of them never go Ebonyi State before. Some of them never go Abia State before. They just there for that Ukwuani land. How you go take know something? How you go take get sense if you know the travel around? Onyeje or Funanya. You don't know everything by staying in your house. You stay in your comfort zone. You know they travel. Some dialects for Imo State, what they call young lady is Mboto. In Ukwuani, what we call young lady is Mboto. There are people in Anambra State, what they call cloth is Awo. In Ukwuani, what we call cloth is Awo. All these things supposed to make una know say we and these our brothers in the southeast are one people. Some Ukwuani people don't know say that they use all these words for other Igbo regions. Some of the words when they use for Ukwuani, when they talk say, not only Ukwuani people they use this word. You don't go find them for any other place for Igbo land. Go there make you see say they are using all these words. As we dey bear Osai for Ukwuani land, go Enugu State, you go see so many people for that place they bear Osai. As the name of our region for here na Ukwuani, go Enugu State, you go see so many people for there they bear Ukwuani as their name. Yet you go see some of our Ukwuani people they talk say we Ukwuani people, we stand alone. We are Ukwuani people. We don't have any other identity. We are not Igbo people. Knowing fully well that Bia speaking people are Igbo people. You see why I talk say make you dey travel round, make you dey see things with your eye. Majority of Ukwuani people that are proud of their Igbo identity, now Ukwuani people will be say they don't travel outside Ukwuani land, see things with their eyes. You go to Ukwuani land, they think say now na get culture pass, now na own good pass, now na no pass. Life starts for Ukwuani, life end for Ukwuani. Have you gone to other places to see things for yourself? Person wey get that kind of character where you say you believe say your life starts for your village, end for your village. Such person not they go find life. The reason why our Southeast brothers they do well for business, they develop, they discover new things, they know more now because they not stay for that their comfort zone. They travel out. They travel all over the world. That is why Igbo is the most traveled tribe in Africa. Igbo is the most scientific tribe in Africa. For technology, for Africa, na Igbo be the best. Igbo is the #1 tribe in Africa. For the entire Africa, Igbo is the greatest tribe. Greatest, #1 tribe for Africa na Igbo. Igbo is the greatest tribe in Africa. Why are they great? Because they travel. Come for Anioma land. Tell me one thing about Ukwuani people where you say other people for Oshimiri and your they can't talk about. Nothing. Our people they talk. How many of our people there for social media for this Ukwuani land? They do things to see say Ukwuani land better. All they know how to do is we don't want Anioma State to be in the southeast. We are not Igbo people. Also, but I don't know go for Kifama Basam Ukwuani. Now, Senator Debunking, they agitate for Anioma State. Make we get Anioma State join our Southeast brothers. Some of our Ukwuani brothers they fight against the creation of Anioma State and the Southeast zoning. How good thing go take come Ukwuani land where be say una they fight make Anioma State no come so that we Ukwuani people we not go get our own senator. Una they fight so that we Ukwuani people we not go get our own representatives. Do you know how many representatives that we Ukwuani people will have if we get Anioma State? We go get our own senator. We're going to represent only Ukwuani people for Senate. We go get like 3 representatives for Ukwuani land. Ukwuani will produce the first governor in Anioma State. Senator Debunking gave we Ukwuani people assurance. Say once we get Anioma State, now Ukwuani person will be governor. For this Anioma land, Ukwuani na majority. Why e be say Ukwuani people they do like saying that them be minority? Now Ukwuani they feel this Anioma land. So many Ukwuani people just dey Ukwuani land. They don't know wetin dey that Ukwuani land. Ukwuani land is a very great land. Oyibo people know wetin dey that Ukwuani land. That was why they separated Ukwuani people from our Southeast brothers. Ukwuani will be majority for Anioma land, they behave like minority. Ukwuani voice is not heard. Ukwuani is being isolated because of the way so many of our Ukwuani people reason. This nonsense where this guy they talk now, they separate Ukwuani people from our Igbo brothers from the southeast. He's separating us, keeping us away from them. How Ukwuani go take grow with this kind of mindset? Man, for that matter, Wetin be say na women dey do am. Women wey be say they sabi hold their children, separate their children from other children. Na man dey talk am. Osadebe sing for song say before if men fight na women dey go talk wetin happen. But today now women go fight na men go dey talk wetin happen. Man no come know say na man him be again. Talking like women. You dey talk say Ukwuani no be Igbo. The entire country is calling you Igbo. Urobo people they talk say they are the majority in Delta states. Then they talk say we Ukwuani people, we are fake people in Delta states, that we are not supposed to be in Delta states. They are calling we Anambra people fake Deltans. As they call us fake Deltas, they tell us say the reason why they are calling us fake Deltans is because we are not supposed to be in Delta states, that we are Igbo people. And if they tell our people for Ukwuani land now, their mouths go too much. People where be say development not dey their land though. Now to they reject good things our people for Ukwuani land sabi. That's why no good thing dey Ukwuani land. Politics we not sabi play. Talk we not sabi talk. The ones where we still elect for Ukwuani land to they represent us for House of Reps, they don't know wetin carry them go there. Instead of those ones to the support Anyama State and the Southeast zone, then they tell say no, we don't want to join the Southeast too. Failures everywhere for Ukwuani land. We must liberate Ukwuani land from failure. Una wan get university for Ukwuani land, how una go take get am? Where be say una no want to make we get Anyama State. Anyama land where we dey, they no dey talk. No be them they lead. Leadership dey for the hand of Ika people. Oshimi and Anyocha, Ukwuani people just dey there. Dauna, anywhere governors push us, we go enter. Anywhere senators push us, we go enter. We don't have a say. We not get our own word. Our House of Reps member for Ukwuani, now so they are godfathers. From Ikaland, they control them like boys. Una no go fit grab power to the lead, to the talk wetin go dey happen for Anyama land. No. To see Ukwuani person be say, e dey online, they talk say, we want Anyama State make e join Southeast, make we coexist with our brothers. You go hardly see such a people. If no be as I tell here, they speak up for Ukwuani people now. How many people even know whether they call Ukwuani for this country called Nigeria? So many of our Southeast brothers, they don't know whether they get whether they call Ukwuani for this country. If not be for this Igbo unification. Those people they hear of Senator Debunking, they hear of Okonjo Iweala, they hear of Okowa, they hear of Tony Lumelu, they hear of Emefiele. Tell me one person for Ukwuani land where they hear his name all over the country. None. And that's because make we done our own. We don't want trouble. We don't want make people hear our name. Make we just done our own. Atana Nsukka wajego, wabashimo, amalimo, ndinikemo, ndinowemo, wesalimio. Make we support Senator Debunking, make we get Anyama State, join our Southeast brothers. Make we get this Anyama State. Una say no. Say una no want join Southeast. Say una want to make Anyama State for South. Say una go fit wait. Anytime when they call for Anyama State to be created in the South in the future, say that time una go support them to get the state. Knowing fully well that when a slot for a state to be created in the South comes out, Anyama people will never take that slot. Because other people in this South that are agitating for state will never allow Anyama people to take that slot. Who be person wey get sense? Person wey get sense na person wey be say he dey grab opportunity as he dey come. This is the reason why rich people are always rich. Because if opportunity dey come, they grab am. They no dey wait make you come second time. But some of my Ukwuani people now, they want to make this opportunity wey come for us now pass. So that we go come wait for so many years again, maybe the next 50 years or the next 100 years. Before they go talk say they want create another state for South. Then our people will go start to agitate for the states. Then that slot they go miss am because other tribes for South are not allow them take that slot. Another tribe will come collect the states. They'll come create the states for them. Ukwuani people still there for Delta states. They complain of marginalization. Say they not get road. Say they not get light for 20 years. Maybe by that time it could be 100 years. They not get light for 100 years. They not get university. They not get poly. Because why? The brain to reason no say opportunity comes but once, not in their head. We must cure that bad mindset. Ukwuani people wake up. I love you people so much. I too like Ukwuani land where I came from. My papa, my mama na Ukwuani people. I want to make development in the Ukwuani land. Make better things come Ukwuani land. Make Ukwuani people know where they belong. Ukwuani youths, make una stop to believe this set of elders when not know their left to right for Ukwuani land. We Ukwuani youths, we are the future of tomorrow. No allow elder when not know him left to write, to they tell you nonsense. Ukwuani Buanieze. And Nyoma State must be actualized and zoned to the southeast. We Ukwuani people, let's do everything possible and make sure that we don't lose this opportunity. Think about what we Ukwuani people will benefit if we actualize Nyoma State and zone it to the southeast. Ishiegwale.